Looking to make meal prep faster, easier, and more fun? Today, we're diving into the best immersion blenders of 2025. From soups and smoothies to sauces and baby food, these handheld powerhouses are designed to elevate your cooking game. Let's get blending. Turelar. Starting off our list of the best immersion blenders of 2025, we have the Immersion Blender Handheld Corded 1100 watts from Turelar, a kitchen powerhouse that redefines versatility. With an impressive 1,100-watt motor, this blender is designed to tackle everything from velvety soups to creamy smoothies and even homemade baby food, all with minimal effort. Its standout feature is the trigger variable speed control, allowing you to adjust the blending speed seamlessly to suit your recipe. Whether you're emulsifying sauces, chopping nuts, or frothing milk for lattes, this blender has the precision to handle it all. This 5-in-1 stick blender comes fully equipped with a chopper attachment, a whisk, and a frother, making it the ultimate multitasker in your kitchen. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, while the detachable stainless steel blending arm makes cleanup a breeze. What users love most? The power and efficiency. The anti-splash design means less mess, and the durable build ensures consistent performance, even with daily use. It's perfect for whipping up a quick breakfast smoothie or preparing gourmet meals. If you're looking for a versatile, high-performance tool that simplifies your time in the kitchen, the Immersion Blender Handheld Corded 1010 watts is a must-have. Check the link below to grab yours today. Gavasto. Next up is the Gavasto Immersion Blender, a 1,000-watt hand blender that packs the power of a professional-grade tool right into your kitchen. Whether you're whipping, blending, or chopping, this blender is built to handle it all with ease. Let's talk about its performance. The 20-speed settings and turbo mode give you complete control over your blending experience. From gentle mixing for delicate sauces to full power blending for smoothies and soups, the Gavasto adapts to every recipe effortlessly. What sets it apart is its scratch-resistant stainless steel design, which means you can use it directly in your pots and pans without worrying about damage. The heavy-duty copper motor ensures durability and consistent performance, even with frequent use. The 3-in-1 design includes a versatile blending stick, egg beaters, and a chopper attachment, making it the ultimate all-in-one kitchen tool. Whether you're whipping up fluffy meringues, blending creamy soups, or chopping veggies, it's got you covered. Users rave about its ergonomic grip, which makes extended blending sessions comfortable, and the detachable parts that make cleaning quick and easy. It's perfect for busy kitchens and anyone who loves experimenting with recipes. MuellerLiving. Let's turn up the versatility with the MuellerLiving Immersion Hand Blender Full Set, a complete blending and mixing solution for every kitchen enthusiast. With 8 adjustable speeds and a durable stainless steel blade, this hand blender is ready to tackle all your cooking and baking needs. What makes this set so impressive is the 7 included attachments. You're getting a whisk for whipping, a milk frother for creamy lattes, beater and mixing hooks for baking, a potato masher for silky mashed potatoes, and even a chopper bowl for dicing veggies or nuts. This is more than just a blender, it's your personal sous chef. Its stainless steel blade and ergonomic design make it both efficient and comfortable to use. The powerful motor ensures smooth blending, while the easy-to-detach components simplify cleanup, even after heavy-duty tasks. The versatility doesn't stop there. With 8 speed settings, you have precise control over your blending consistency, ideal for everything from soups and smoothies to batters and sauces. Whether you're crafting a velvety soup, frothing up some milk, or mixing dough, this blender adapts to every recipe. Users love the all-in-one convenience, noting that it replaces multiple gadgets in the kitchen. Its compact design saves space, and the durable construction means it'll be a staple in your kitchen for years to come. Ganiza. Let's take versatility to the next level with the Ganiza Immersion Blender 5-in-1, a powerhouse kitchen gadget equipped with a 1,000-watt heavy-duty motor to handle all your blending, chopping, and frothing needs. Whether you're whipping up smoothies, sauces, or baby food, this blender delivers consistent and efficient performance every time. The Ganiza comes with 16 speed modes, allowing you to customize the blending intensity to suit your recipe. Need extra power? Switch to the turbo mode for quick and effortless blending, perfect for tackling tougher ingredients like frozen fruits or nuts. This 5-in-1 set is all about convenience. It includes an 800 milliliter mixing beaker for blending drinks and soups, a 600 milliliter chopper for dicing veggies or nuts, a whisk for whipping up fluffy batters, and a milk frother for crafting cafe-quality lattes right at home. The stainless steel blade ensures durability and precision, while the ergonomic handle provides comfort for extended use. What's more, its detachable design makes cleaning a breeze. Simply pop off the attachments and rinse them under running water or toss them in the dishwasher. It's efficient, compact, and easy to store, making it a perfect fit for any kitchen. MasterChef. Next up, we have the MasterChef Immersion Blender Handheld, a sleek and powerful tool designed to simplify your time in the kitchen. Whether you're pureeing soups, whipping up sauces, or making baby food, this blender is here to get the job done with ease. With a powerful 400-watt motor and variable speed control, you're in full command of your blending consistency. Need a smooth puree or a chunky texture? Simply adjust the speed to suit your recipe. It's versatile, efficient, and perfect for tackling a variety of kitchen tasks. The stainless steel blending stick is durable and resistant to stains, ensuring long-lasting performance. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to handle, even during extended use. Plus, the slim profile allows you to blend directly in pots, bowls, or pitchers without creating a mess. Compact and easy to clean, the MasterChef Immersion Blender is a breeze to store and maintain. Detach the blending stick, rinse it under running water, and you're ready for the next recipe. It's as simple as that. Users love its reliability and power, noting how it consistently delivers smooth and delicious results, whether for creamy soups, silky sauces, or healthy baby food. So if you're looking for a trusted kitchen companion that combines style, power, and convenience, the MasterChef Immersion Blender is a must-have. Click the link below to bring this versatile tool to your kitchen today. And that's it for our roundup of the best immersion blenders of 2025. Whether you're after precision, power, or versatility, these blenders have got you covered. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Check out the links below to grab your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more must-have product reviews. See you in the next one.